tournament was so hard to seed, actually. Like, we got in the top 4 is the 1 seed, the 4 and 6 seed, and the 7th seed is in grinds. It was so weird. Oh my god, upsets all over the place.
Yeah, there was some pretty solid ones.
Yeah, I had like 3 people helping me out do this seeding, so like I don't hear anything about how the tournament was seeded. There's just upsets all over the place. This is nothing I can do. All right, and Snacks is coming from round 3 losers. He lost to Sportsnick, but then he beat his demon in Sportsnick, and now he's playing AD. Yeah, made a really good run.
Yeah. Dude, these two play a lot, right?
So pretty much every local Snacks has gone to, AD's been there too.
Okay.
I'm not 100% sure what their record is. I'll be honest.
Do you see them like one person
I feel
being slightly over the other? Or?
I feel like it's usually pretty even.
Okay.
I think it's like 1-1 maybe. I'm not 100% sure though. I know every time Snacks has been here, been to a UD local, these guys have played. So, but I've definitely seen AD win. I'm pretty sure Snacks has won. Definitely has a set. And I think Snacks is playing hot through losers. So, but we saw AD was playing pretty hot versus Panos.
Yeah, let's see if that carries over to this match. Like honestly, he's had some like crazy pressure on Panos. Let's see if he can like put some of that pressure on Snacks as well.
And I would say fatigue is a thing, but like the way AD just plays, AD will just play on a friendly setup for like 6 hours. Like he just kind of plays.
What a nut.
Yeah, he just plays melee, dude. That's all. That's what he's about.
We got 2 completely different styles of spaces here.
Definitely.
I know Snacks is very much like a patient, wait for his opportunity type of fox.
Yep.
This AD, this is the first time I've seen him, so I'm just gonna say he looks like a very control heavy, trying to rush it down kind of Falco.
Yeah, he's pretty like AD. I would say his playstyle is just like kind of nutty. He just likes to try to do the. Whereas like Johnny is very much like what's that word like.
He looks like he's a very patient runaway kind of fox. He kind of like finds his moments, dash back, dash in, gets his grabs.
He's definitely one of those thinking players.
Yeah,
right?
Yeah. He likes to find his spots. Like he doesn't like throwing out a whole lot of moves. He'll move on you.
Yeah, but he's the kind of guy who like he's coming in with a game plan. He's like, all right.
Yeah. And with those type of players, you know, you really see their power just like come out mid set. You know, I might not see it like early on in the first game, but like as the game goes on, you'll see him like just power up.
Yeah, Snacks like he really knows what he's doing. He's been around the scene for a while. Meanwhile, AD's like AD's just the UD hidden boss dude. He's like everyone knows about like
this combo.
Everyone knows about like how we have like Nagy.
Nagi.
But not that many people know about AD. Like he's just kind of this guy who just goes to AD locals.
He just doesn't go anywhere, does he?
No. Yeah, he doesn't travel very often.
Okay.
He was going with that edge cancel again. That's the AD. Oh, he's dead though. So AD just needs one more hit.
This isn't out of the question that Snacks could win this. Oh, that's how you do it right there. Shine.
Oh, yeah.
Air, shine, you're dead. Oh
man, Snacks misses it.
Oh my gosh. That should have been kill for him.
Oh my god, that tech was
in like a bad situation. Snacks had that.
Oh my god. So this is the who goes on to represent Delaware. So
all right,
this is a big match. It's also for third place and 10% of the pool.
Yeah,
guaranteed. Oh my god! I'm sure he went. I'm sure he was going for the dare.
Yeah. Okay. I don't think you can convert off of a weak hit reverse nair on that at that percent at that height.
Why? Why did he go for wall jump bear? He's like, who would have thought of that? I know I wouldn't have, but AD did. Okay, and Snacks
reads his movement, gets it back here, and this is where you're gonna see Snacks starting to shine. He's gonna start picking his spots.
Yeah.
Picking the places where he's gonna throw out an attack.
Dude, I don't know about that taunt. Taunting AD is a. I don't know.
I saw him do it like when it was probably one of the first matches against Sports Snacks, I think. Johnny's a taunter. He likes to get in people's head.
Yeah, but the thing about AD is like AD's got like one of the best poker faces.
He's also a taunter, though.
Yeah, AD is a taunter. That's his taunt. But I think this is the reason they struck to Yoshi's, or that Snacks counterpicked Yoshi's, is he just like really likes him in the matchup. Like, I don't think this is the classic counterpick, but okay. You know, why not?
He didn't even get hit.
Yeah.
Just jumped off the
Yeah,
wall,
he just died at 20%. That's the Falco lifestyle, dude.
So you don't need to do anything. Let me do it for you.
Yeah. And Snacks' answer to that is, you can't just do that to me.
What a gentleman.
That was clean.
He's still ahead. It doesn't matter. He threw out his stock.
Yeah.
I don't want it.
Snacks kind of like Yoshi's, but AD also really loves Yoshi's. Like, oh my god. Just following around the stage with that shine.
Punish game on this man is just out of this world.
Did
Look
you
at
see
him
that?
moving on this stage.
Dude, every time he does it, I love it.
Oh my god.
Oh my, how did?
Oh my. Oh.
And AD won that scramble situation. Oh my god. Like, that's a win.
Alright, shine. Yeah, that should be dead.
That's a loss. That's an L.
And we're in the same situation that we were last game.
Oh.
Patient, waits for that roll in, gets a forward smash.
This is that edge guard though. Oh, and Snacks is trying to make this count. He's got this neutral opening.
I thought that was down smash, but whatever. That's cool. I'm not on that chair right there.
Yeah, right.
Oh, that's dead.
We're going back to Yoshi's.
He gets to that last stock, and then Snacks just takes it back and just completely runs over that last stock.
Mm-hmm.
He still loses. It's not enough.
Snacks just kicks that laser. He's like, nah.
try
He's like, you gotta
again.
play me at close range. Not doing any of that Falco control shenanigans.
And a lot of people need, like, I think for like new upcoming Falcos.
Did you see that combo?
That was kind of nuts. For like mid-level to like upcoming Falcos, it's really important that you realize the laser is a mix-up. It's not like just something you could just completely throw out all the time.
I think it is big in this matchup though. Like
it really is, but you can't. You got to be careful where you're putting that thing.
But without a laser though, because like Fox wins the scramble situations, right?
Yeah. And he's just gonna like nair his full hop nair kind of stuff. He's gonna dash back because he's so much faster.
That was a really smart drill to catch the AD going to the platform. Oh, 80's punish game though. 80's punish game.
Up till missed. Oh. He got the conversion on that.
No, I've seen him hit that too.
Right,
oh man.
Okay. He hits the forward air.
Oh, that was such a micro wave dash. I don't know if you saw that. Snacks. Both these players are playing sick.
Back air.
That'll close it out.
Oh, up tilt
that up
right
tilt was,
through the trap.
Yeah, that up tilt was smart. Ooh. And that was a clean edge guard. Snacks just like keeping it in here. He's not letting AD.
Simple forward tilt, shines, back airs. That's all you got.
He's not letting AD take priority in this matchup.
Right. Double shine.
Double shine, yeah. Oh, that was actually really smart to do.
The dash attack, perfect. Send him below the stage, position to get shined if he did come up.
Very smart edge guard. He's got a quick one himself. Reads that jump. All right, so this is Snacks tournament life here.
Last stock.
Yep. Let's see what he's got.
Let's see if Snacks can make this comeback.
Yeah, do or die.
He's getting smashed.
And AD goes for a throw mix up, but he doesn't get it. Ooh, walk up, shine grab. I like it. Ooh, tries to read
the up tilt.
Yeah, tried to read the roll.
Woo. All right.
Oh, that instant
was
side B.
really scary, actually.
Yeah, that
side B on stage.
Saved him. Oh, but AD got the platform.
Yeah, no, he did not get the
chase,
land
yeah.
on the platform there.
Oh my
grab
God, that was so
through him.
smart. The shy guy though. Randall's Snacks' best friend.
He really needs to get like a nair read or off the jump. Oh, he tried to go for it.
Is he living?
Barely
Oh.
out.